Hi guys, today I want to show you how to fix a common problem with the Kia Picanto. Many users complain about washer tank issues. The cause of this problem can vary. It could be clogged nozzles, leaking hoses or reservoir, or a malfunctioning washer pump. However, in most cases the issue turns out to be the washer pump, which is quite fragile, especially in low temperature. In this video, I will show you how to replace the washer pump. Let's start. Open the hood. You will find the washer tank, usually marked with a blue cap. It's a long white tank that runs from the top of the engine area down towards the bottom of your car. To replace the washer pump, I recommended removing the wheel. First, loosen the wheel nuts. Don't unscrew them completely, just loosen them a little. Then, lift the car. It's very important to place the jack in the correct spot, otherwise you could damage the car. Once the car is lifted safely, remove the wheel. Next, you will need to remove 4 plastic pins from the inner fender lining. 2 behind the wheel and 2 at the bottom. Now you should have clear access to the washer pump, which is located at the bottom of the washer tank. Do a quick visual inspection for any leaks. Then grab a small flat screwdriver, unclip the electrical connector and gently remove the washer pump. Finally, disconnect the water hose and remove the rubber seal from the washer fluid tank. As you can see, my old washer pump was cracked at the bottom, where the washer hose connects. That's why my washer fluid was leaking. Now, let's install the new washer pump. First, insert the rubber seal into the washer fluid tank. Then, attach the fluid hose. Push the washer pump into place. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector. And that's it, job done. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.